Hey, check this out, guys. Did you know that it costs thousands of dollars to put up advertisements like this in an MRT station? Now the question is this: why are companies willing to spend thousands of dollars to put up ads like this? Now, do you think is it A, to get more awareness? Or is it B, to get more customers? Or is it C, they have just too much money to spare and they got nothing better to do? Okay, if your answer is either one of the above, you are absolutely correct. Now the question is, does these methods even work? Okay, usually they don't, not unless you give a super nice and valuable gift that people want, like a QR code just right here. Alright? Or even here. The question is this: do you really need to spend so much money on ads like this? Well, not really, especially if you're just getting started and you don't intend to spend unnecessary money on advertisements that you don't even know will work or not. Then let me show you a quick and free way that you can get customers, okay, even without spending much money. So did you say that Tampines East is too far? Okay, no worries, I got you covered. Okay, all you need to do is just to click the link around this video and I'll see you in my masterclass.